Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and Happy New Year. I know it's a little bit too late to say Happy New Year, but we're still in January, so why not? Yeah, I hope everything gonna be so much better for you guys in 2019. So it's New Year. I want to start a new series on my channel. It's called Q&A. So today it's gonna be the first episode of Q&A. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about why I am doing Q&A. Actually, every single day I got a lot of questions about photography, videography, even modeling, everything in my emails and my Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and YouTube messages as well. Well, so many questions, and I tried so hard to answer every single one, but the problem is people asking me a lot of the same question, which is like I think like I spend too much time to answer the same question, which is it makes nonsense to me and wasting a lot of time kind of thing. So I think if I put everything together as one and answer all of the same question as once, it's gonna be so much easier for me, saving my time, and it have people already ask me and the people going to ask me the same question. Well, that makes sense. Okay. As so you know, I have a Facebook group called Lighting, Shooting, Retouching, and I have about like 16,000 members in there, and I'm gonna post every week or every 2 weeks. It depends on my schedule. I'm gonna post a topic on the group, and people gonna come in there and drop their question in that topic. For example, last week I posted a topic on my Facebook group and asked people drop the question about studio lighting. Well, a little bit weird that I only got a few questions, but I think because people not really used to it yet, so it's okay, and it's even better for me because I don't have to answer too many questions at the first time. Okay, so last week the topic was studio lighting. All right, the first question from Jesse Hansen. In the image you have with the model with the Santa hat ones, how do you achieve that edged lighting that is subtle and looks so soft? Alright, let me show you the photo first. So in this photo, actually I only use one light, the Godox 8600 Cheetah stand, the Quick Super 42 inch. So that's the only one light that I use. So all of the edge lighting actually from the giant window right behind her, which is create a very soft light. So the next question from Brett Downing. Where do you find is an ideal angle or location for a hair light? It depends on how many lights that I use, and it depends what the color of the hair or what style of the hair. And even like sometimes it's based on the color, the color between the models or her skin or her clothing against the color of the background. Let's say if I go with one hairline, so most of the time I'm gonna push the hairline opposite with the main line. Okay, for example, if the main line is from the camera right, so the hairline is gonna be on the camera left. Or even in some case, I put the strip box with the grip right in the center of the model on the top. So it's gonna create the hairline and the on the edge line on over both shoulder as well. There is nothing right or wrong when you put the hairline. Well, because some, and it depends on the line that you use. Most of the time I use a chip box, okay? So I can create not just hair, it's gonna create the whole edge line from the top to the bottom. But in some case I only want to light up the top. I'm gonna use a small reflector with the grid on, and it's focus the light just on the top of the hair or something like that. Next question from Louis Hochman. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name not correctly. Best way to avoid unwanted reflection in glasses. Oh, this is very common question that I got this question a lot. All right, so right in your question, you use the word reflection. So reflection is the thing that you see the light right in the glasses. So the only way that you can avoid the reflection, that you have to put the light in the angle that not reflect in the glasses. So most of the time when you do a photo like this, for example, the model gonna turn on this side or this side. So the best way that to avoid the reflection, that you have to put the light higher up here and angle down. And so that's why when the people turn on the left and on the right, it still stay on the horizon like that. So it's not gonna reflect anything on the glasses. But if you move the light low down a little bit, it's gonna reflect on the glasses right away. Or if the model really turn the face up and back to the light, like in this case that I am really sitting on, I have my big light on my left right here, and it's a giant, the big one here. So let's say that when I turn back over here and talk, it's gonna reflect. You can see right on my glasses that I can see reflection. So in this case, if I want to avoid the reflection, so my face have to be in the different angle, which is I have to turn back the camera like this and lower down my chin like this way. You're gonna see it's no reflection on my glasses, or just a little bit on the top. So just play with the angle of the light to the glasses and you can avoid the reflection. In my opinion, you shouldn't avoid 100% the reflection in the glasses, because you should keep a little reflection maybe on the edge of the glasses. So when people look at the photo, they're gonna see like the model wearing the glasses with just a frame only, without the optic, because they don't see any reflection on it. All right, move on to the last question. The last question from Brett Downen. So Brett Downen asked me, beauty dish favorite use. All right, in the last 8 years, I've been shooting a lot of headshot, beauty headshot, and I use beauty dish a lot. The beauty dish that I use the most in the last 8 years, from possible 22-inch silver. When I want the light come out a little bit harsher, I just use this without the diffusion. But when I want it softer, I just put the diffusion on, and it really soft and creates a very nice. And then in the last 3 years, I start using a lot of cheetah stand modifiers, and one of them was the cheetah Super 26. And the way they are designed, that softbox is very similar to the beauty dish. So it has the 26-inch diameter, and then in the middle they have the beauty dish place which is like block the light in the center. When the shot fire, the light hit the plate and bounce the light back to the softbox and come out very evenly. And it have like 26-inch, which is like a little bit bigger than the 22-inch, so it provides a softer light than the 22-inch, and also it comes with the grid, so I can really narrow the light if I want to. And the best thing about that is I can actually collapse the whole thing and put it in my car when I travel. So that's all for today, and this is my first episode of the Q&A, so I'm not really ready, or I'm still nervous when I'm answer the questions, so I don't think that all of my question is perfect, and it's never perfect anyways. If you have anything more to discuss about all the question and answer, just drop it in the comment below, and I'm glad to discuss with you guys more about that. I'm gonna take all of the questions from my Facebook group, Lighting Shooting with Touching. So if you're not one of the members, you can join the group. So every time before I make the video, I'm gonna create a topic in the group, so you can put your question right in there, and I'm gonna answer them in the videos. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Even better than that, just ring the bells, because you're gonna have the notification right away when I upload the new videos. And yes, one more time, thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.